It is great to see everyone who is watching my channel. Okay, today I am going to talk about five reasons why you should get fidget toys. This one is the puppet one. So, first reason. The first reason is fidget toys can help people to reduce stress. So when people are playing the fidget toys, they tend to focus more on fidget toys. And they tend to forget about other stressful things. Because when they play fidget toys, they are having fun on the fidget toys, like puppet. So when you do puppet, you always focus on playing this. Okay? So that's why fidget toys can help people to reduce the stress, because they focus on playing the fidget toys. The second reason is it is great toys for vacation. So when people are going on vacation and if they forgot to bring anything, but if they brought the fidget toys, they could play fidget toys. So they do not have to be bored and do nothing, especially when they are in hotel or when they're in the car. So they always have something to do. So fidget toys are great for vacations too. Number 3. The third reason why people should get fidget toys, because they could improve their concentration. So when their mind are busy and they play the fidget toys, then they could help their mind to forget other things, and they could focus on the fidget toys, and then later when they stop playing fidget toys, they could focus on their work. So they could improve their concentration, so they could do better in their studies, and they could study more, and they can improve their grades too. Fourth reason is playing fidget toys can relieve your bad habits, because when they do bad habits, they pull their hair or bite their nails or break their knuckles, because they get stressed or they have anxiety. So when they play fidget toys, they don't have to focus on biting their nails, holding the papers. They don't have to focus on doing those things. So when they play on the fidget toys, it could relieve their stress and their anxiety. So that's why, and it's better than doing bad habits. So that's why the fourth reason is playing fidget toys can reduce their bad habits. And the fifth reason, so the last reason, is fidget toys can help people while they're waiting. So when people are waiting for someone or for something, when they bring their fidget toys, then they can have something to do, so they do not be bored. And they could focus on playing fidget toys. So fidget toys can help people relieve the anxiety, the stress, and many other things. So, for example, I was waiting to get picked up from someone, and I brought the fidget toys, like 2 fidget toys. So sometimes I play puppet, so I could focus playing on the puppet. And then the other time I could focus on playing fidget spinners. So the time flies by more quickly. So that means when you wait for someone and if you play fidget toys, the time flies by quickly, more quickly than just waiting. Okay, that's it for today, and that is 5 reasons why you should play fidget. You should get fidget toys. The preview of my next video is I am going to do origami collection series. There are many different collections. So I'm going to show you on my next video origami collection series. More details will be on my next video. So comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.